In today's video, I want to share with you 3 epic and really easy wraps that my teens love to pack for lunch. I'll also share with you how to pack them inside the lunch container and keep them fresh for later. Hey, I'm Laura, and if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share lots of school lunch ideas and easy recipes that my family enjoys. And if that's your jam, hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every week. And wraps? Well, they're the solution when you run out of bread or want a handheld lunch that keeps you full. So let's start by making this club wrap. You can use mayo, but I really like using ranch instead, and you want to spread that all around the tortilla, almost to the edges. This is going to be the glue that helps the other ingredients stay in place. Let's top it with some greens. You can use lettuce, field greens, or arugula like I'm using here. Then some cheese, because it's not a club sandwich or club wrap without cheese. Also, some tomatoes and a hard-boiled egg right in the middle here. To hold everything down, I'm gonna put the turkey right on top. Don't worry, it's gonna close. Watch. I'm gonna fold the sides in starting on one end, and then the end with most of my ingredients. I'm gonna push it in and wrap it tightly. You're gonna slice it in half and stick it in the lunchbox because it's finished. But take a look at what it looks like in the middle. It's so good, so full. Put the lid on, refrigerate it, and in the morning, you're gonna put it in our lunch bag with an ice pack and you're ready to go. By the way, if you're a teen or have teens and love quick and easy recipes like this one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. The next recipe is my delicious hummus wrap. Grab your favorite hummus, spread it right on your tortilla wrap. Also, did you know that you can make hummus in a blender? I've got a whole other video to show you how to make that, so I'll link it below for you. Okay, so after the hummus, I top it with my fillings like shredded carrots and cheese in my wrap. Let's put some greens on top, and again, then the turkey. The turkey is gonna add protein and also holds down the greens. Fold over the sides, tuck it in, and roll it as you push the ingredients in and wrap it tightly. Slice it in half. Let me show you what it looks like inside. Oh, so good. And you're ready to pack it in the lunchbox. This last wrap is made with my healthy egg salad and so delicious. Yep, you can pack egg salad for lunch and it's not gonna stink, especially if you watch my video below where I share how to do that. On top of my tortilla, I'm gonna add some lettuce. This is a barrier between the tortilla and the egg salad to help it prevent from getting soggy. On top of the lettuce, then I'll add some cherry tomatoes, a few scoops of my egg salad right in the center of my wrap like this. Now, store-bought egg salads can be a little bland, so I like to add a little bit of seasoning on top. Finally, we're ready to wrap it, so let's close it up and we're gonna slice it down the middle. We're gonna place it in the compartment like this, and you can add your favorite sides on a separate compartment. Now, like the other lunches, you can pack this the night before, refrigerate it, and in the morning, pack it with an ice pack so the wrap and the egg salad can stay at the right temperature until lunch. Make sure to check the description box for the recipes to these wraps and all my other teen lunch ideas videos. See you next time.